We're gonna be switching out the charge pipe to install the Synapse Charge Pipe kit. You need to start by taking off your front bumper. It's pretty easy. All you gotta take out the front top clips. There's I think 2 clips on the side, and it should pop off. So comes off. After you got those done, you just got some either clips. I had zip ties because my shit broke. But once you remove that, it should pop right off. That's it. So this is a kit that Nick from Khar Tunerz sold me to use the Synapse Charge Pipe with a Synapse blow valve. Sold me for a really good deal. I actually already had this Synapse. There's a R35 Trident blow valve. That's what it's called. It's supposed to be a little louder, but I might just leave that one on for now and then install this one after, see which one I like better, and just sell the other. So it's got a little bit of scuff marks from when he sold it to me, but nothing major, no leaks or anything. So net that way. And that's my little brother, for those who don't know. Already starting, huh? Yeah. Just came to help me, fool. Lalo's gonna do it. Ed's gonna help him. I'm gonna watch it. And record. And they gotta record. Nah, so right now that's the stock intercooler. And this stays. You have to switch out the fucking the hose, the whole rubber fucking hose.
You're switching out with this?
Yeah, we're gonna put that's where the charge pipe goes through. So it connects to all this shit. We're gonna start out by taking this off.
I should be able to take it off. There you go. You want a little bit?
It's a size bigger. It's gonna be an 8. So it's an 8mm. You want to use a flathead, you can't really squeeze it in there, so you gotta use an 8. That should loosen it up pretty good, the clamp. Take this side out first, and that should just come off.
There you go.
That's off. That's a new one.
It's because
this girl has little spoon.
Man, fuck that shit on, bro.
Your big spoon?
Yup. Cuff that shit up.
You don't put in work. No damage.
All the damage.
Now you're gonna take out the MAP sensor, the plug. It should be right away. It shouldn't be that hard. Once that's off, you want to just maneuver it out of the top. Take out the MAP sensor. Go hit the gym.
Come on, fool. So you hit the gym for it, Jake?
I need to go to the gym.
Yeah, there you go.
So I thought I was gonna need a new pipe, but I hit up Nick, and he said that the factory lower hose should fit, but it's a really tight fit, so I'm gonna try to struggle with that for right now, and pick it back up right now.
That's just fucking hard.
Yeah, it's a pain in the fucking ass. Time you coming by?
I don't know why.
A meeting or an interview? Ya lo todo vestido and shit.
Va con la sangre.
Damn, da. Con Ivo y todo.
Nos falta la familia.
Quien como tú, eh. So you got some of it on. Needed 2 people for that. So yeah, it's a really tight squeeze. You could even see how
tight it is.
Yeah.
You're gonna have to.
That looks fucking gay. Calm down, big spoon. Chill. Yeah, so we got some of it on. I don't know if we're gonna need more. I mean, I see these little lines from the who previous owned it, and I'm guessing it wasn't carving that, so I think we might be good with the amount of light from like up from there. That's where the pipe starts. And hopefully it lines up with the other pipe. Yeah, so I think it's easier, and it was recommended to do it to the top. You got it?
Yeah.
So we'll leave it loose for now, that way we could try to get the proper fitment. We'll probably just tighten the one to the throttle body first, then we'll adjust this one after. Let's try to do the inside part.
That shit going faster.
So got it in. It's kind of rubbing on the chassis a bit. I can see it. Somewhere in there. Yeah, kind of lean on it, which I didn't want, but we could fix that right now. But for the most part, it's all in. So I tighten everything down, and I gotta worry about the stock blow valve. So now you just gotta tighten everything down, connect back the MAP sensor. And I forgot to get a block off plate, so I'm probably gonna have to just try to make one for the factory blow off. So I'll probably just try to make one out of some sheet metal. But let's worry about this for now. So when you're running to AutoZone, get some more hose to run it to the factory location. Just run to the bottom. In the way of anything. Just tap this vacuum hose from the blow valve to this sensor over here. We just need to take these off right here. Once that's off, just tap in the new vacuum line to there. We'll zip tie it for now. Alright, so everything's tied in. Now we just gotta make the block off plate for the stock blow valve.
This who took classes and this who really paid attention in freaking kindergarten.
Cut.
You should have got the little swirly with the wave ones.
Nah, guess what time it is, too?
Time for you to shut the fuck up.
It's Modelo time. ended up switching out the blow valve I had, and I put the Trident R35. I didn't film it because my camera died and it was kind of late. I was trying to get done, but I'm gonna do some sound clips for you guys and see how you guys like it.